What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This one's just gonna be a short one. Yeah, it's just gonna be a short one, just to show you. I already took off the tape, the plastic from here. Here's the bed. There's that finish. It has a little bit of dust, you know, like little grains of dust on top. It's already, of course, dry, but cutting the grass outside today or yesterday, and some of the dirt came up. But look at this. The roll pan, really nice, nicely molded. This broken piece of the bed, nice, very nice. You can't tell it was broken. This side of the bed, check it out. So everything's gone pretty good. Just wipe this. I'm still doing a cut, but check out that glitter, that metallic. All that's just metallic right there. It's not dust. That's the metallic. But yeah. What do you guys think? I know a lot of you guys are following my build right here. Well, this is Angel's truck, but you know, my series on fixing it. So there's that bed over here on this side. Here's a cab, and I already started sanding this side. I started sanding with a 2000 grit, but since I got just a little bit more orange peel than what I did in the bed, 2000, you know, it's taking a while. So this side still needs a little bit. You can still see just a little bit of like the little valleys on the orange peel, but you know, I'm still waiting for the 3000 grit sandpaper, which they should be tomorrow. They should get here tomorrow. Right here I have some extra sandpapers, like in 1200, 1500, 2000, 2500, and I think I also have the 3000 grit, but the 3000 grit I only have like 3 more sheets left over. So I had ordered a box of this. This is 25 sheets of the 2000, and then I had ordered a 3000 box as well. But those should be here tomorrow, since I think they're in San Antonio right now. It's almost like 3 hours away, 3-4 hours. But this right here, this door, I did it with I first used I think it was the orange one, which was the 1200, and then the green 2000, and then after the green I did 3000, which is the black one. But you know, just in this one I only have a few sheets left over, so I couldn't do like all the truck. But the rest, like I'm just starting right now with the with like 1200, just to remove the majority of the orange peel. So after I finish removing the orange peel, you know, of course I am switching grits like to finer and finer. So right here, just took off the majority of the orange peel, and like sure we could buff on top of this, we could polish this, it'll just look like factory paint. But I'm gonna try to get it as smooth as I can, like get rid of some of these little spots, like see right there. So you know, as soon as we get rid of all these little spots, that means the clear coat, the surface, is really smooth. So just wiping every single panel I see. Nah, but it's because progress is progress, and it's looking good. So, here's your other door. I did this one just with the 1200 and 2000. No, I did this one with 2000. That's why I have more of those valleys of the orange peel. Yeah, guys, I talked to Angel today, and he said that he's gonna go pick up the door handles, but he already has the front bumper for it, and the grill's over there. We just need to paint that, which is the grill and the tailgate. The tailgate is right there in the back. So just those two things, and front bumper, and we'll be done, you know, like painting everything. So yeah, that's gonna be it. So this is just a short update video just to show you guys. So I'll have another video tomorrow as soon as I get my polishing